Are you able to watch my screen, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So today we discuss the deadlock. What is the general meaning of the deadlock? Can you share your view? What do you mean by deadlock word? General meaning. Just tell me. Just share your view, the general meaning of the deadlock. Anyone?
Sir, a tie score.
Any more? Maria, just you share now. What is the meaning of the deadlock in your language? Just general meaning. I am not asking the meaning in the computer or operating system. If somebody share deadlock, so what do you mean by the deadlock? Please tell me. Hello. No idea, my dear. You should reply, na? Yes or no?
Sir,
Devaprita?
Sir, when
Devaprita?
yes, sir.
I am not
Sir,
asking the definition of deadlock in respect to the operating system. I am asking the general meaning of the deadlock.
sir, in a it is means a situation when two things prevent each other, something like that. Means it is a situation when two things are going on and nothing is going like it should be, because if two things are preventing each other, something like that.
Any more? So if I divide did and lock, what do you mean by did and what do you mean by the lock? Tell me, what do you mean by the did, D-E-A-D, did, and what do you mean by the lock, L-O-C-K? Just general meaning. In the Bengali or Hindi or anything, if I say, so what is the meaning of the lock? What do you mean by the lock?
Sir, tala.
Tala. If I lock my door, then what happened?
No one can open it.
Now that is a no can open it. That is the one thing. So which for which purpose we lock the data? Lock at home. Suppose at the main gate I lock the door. Then what happened? Just simple meaning, my dear. I am asking you when I lock the main door of my house. Then what happened?
no
So
one
it
can
is
get in.
done for security
Yeah,
purpose. So
yeah.
no one
Suman,
can.
Suman, Suman. Tell me.
Sir, no one can go inside.
No one can go inside and no one can
Come
come
outside.
outside. Yeah, that is the meaning of the lock means stop. Situation is the stop. Nobody can move. And what is the meaning means did? Speak, my dear. That is wrong or right, don't worry. That I will be check and rectify. You just speak. What do you mean? The did.
No longer alive.
Uh, no longer alive. So general meaning of the dialogue is no longer alive. If you say means there is a situation that we are not able to do anything. Okay. So why first of all we study the deadlock in the operating system? What are the connection of the deadlock word in the operating system? Obviously, there is some relationship. That's why we are studying the deadlock in the operating system. Now, question, why we study the deadlock in operating system? Before that, we should go through the one picture. Please tell me the situation. Are you able to one figure that is the bridge crossing? Are you able to watch my screen, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Here one picture like the bridge where the so many cars are moving through the bridge. Now there is a two-way, and there is this side left side also two-way and right side also two-way. But in the middle there is only one way. Means at a time only one car will be cross the bridge in the middle portion of the bridge. Okay, and other portion we can move there two-way, but in the middle portion there is only one way. Suppose one car is coming from the left side and other car coming from the right side, and in the middle portion both are come like the picture. Now the car which are in the left side, they are asking ki you go back side so that I can cross the bridge, and after that you can cross. But the car which are in the right side, they say no. You first of all go back side. I first cross the bridge, and after that you can cross. But both are saying that I will go cross first, then you will allow. And nobody wants to go backside. Okay, then what situation will be happen, my dear? What condition may be arise? Tell me.
Yours.
No one will be able to
Yeah,
go. So no one will, neither he will be able to cross the road, or neither everyone will be stuck in the bridge. No, one.
yeah, stuck in the beach means all vehicles will be stop and stuck in the beach. No, there is no movement. Okay, so this is the real example of the deadlock where we cannot move. Actually, deadlock happen between the process due to the resources. As we know, there are so many processes are working parallelly or simultaneously at a time in a system. But it may be happen the some process or share the some resources. And there are some share resource. Suppose P1, P2, P3, there are the three process. Okay. P1, you are writing the letter. Suppose you are the P1, Suman is the P1. Suman is writing the letter on the desktop. Okay. Now, Devaprita is the P2. She printing the, she, suppose she also doing the something, and the printer is allocated to the Devaprita. Now, third person that require the, actually the way Suman already complete the writing the letter. Suman want to the print the letter. Devaprita wants to write the letter, but she needs a keyboard, or suppose she needs the mouse. Third person is the P3. Just tell me the name, anyone. Yeah. Yeah, who's the name? Just. Yeah, Mega. Suppose Mega needs a keyboard, but and want to complete the to type the letter. So there are the three process. P1 also use take the simple example of the two process, Suman and Devaprita. Suman want to the print the letter and but the printer is allocated to the Devaprita. And Devaprita wants to complete the letter and she needs the keyboard. But right now keyboard is not available because keyboard is held by the Suman. Suman asking that key first you just provide me the printer, I will print the letter and after the finishing my task I will be allowed to use my keyboard. Then you can complete. But Devaprita say no, girls is first, ladies first. So you should give me the keyboard. First I complete the my task, then I will release the printer and you can use the printer. But Suman say no, I am here. I will do first. And fighting going on. Then what happened, my dear? No one can complete the task. And this situation is called as a deadlock. Hello? If waiting condition go for the long time, that is called deadlock. So what is the definition of the deadlock? Suppose a process are holding the some resources but require some extra resources to complete the task, but that resource are not available because that is holding by the another process and waiting, and then the process may be go under the waiting condition. If the waiting condition we go for the long time, then this situation is called the deadlock. Again, I am telling you a set of the process which holding the some resources and waiting for the some extra resources. That is the hold by the another process. In this situation, if waiting condition is gone for the long time, then we can say there is a deadlock. Any question, my dear, you can ask.
Sir, our
If you are able,
our
yeah,
system
my
gets
dear.
hanged. Sir, our system gets hanged sometimes. Is it for the deadlock? Means
Yeah,
when
but
the
this is the we can say the starvation. Starvation, because the suppose I am giving the another example. There is a one printer, okay, my dear, that is connected via the LAN. Means in office network printer, anyone can use the printer who are connected with the printer. Okay. Suppose in a office there are 5 employees in a room, 5 employees and one printer. But via the network, as it is a network printer, that's why via the LAN or Wi-Fi, every printer, every desktop or system is connected with the printer. Means via one printer, anyone can take the printout. Okay. Now we set a priority. The user who have less number of the pages to print out, that will be allowed first. The person or user who wants to print less number, that will be allowed first. So suppose there are 5% P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. So P1 want to print the give the print instruction 5 pages. P2 give the 50 pages. P3 give the 20 and P4 give the 15. P5 give the 30. So what happened? P1 will be complete first because very less. Now P2, P3, P4. Again we watch the P3 require the less number of the pages to print out. So that will be allowed first. So again, P2 is not able to print because condition is the process or user who have the less number to print out that will be allowed first. So P2 is not allowed, P3 is allowed, again P4 allowed, P5 allowed. Before finishing the P5, again the print option is come from the rest of the process rather than P2. Suppose P1 again request for the 10 pages, P2 requested, P3 again requested to the 15 pages. So again, it is found that the page required to print out by the P1 and P3, P4, P5, this time also less than to the P2 because P2 required 50 pages. But when the system is running, the always request come from the other process that number of printout is the less than 50. That's why others are start to print and complete the print. Again, they feel the needs to print out. Again, they come to the printer and use the printer and complete the printer. But P2 is not able to print out because before the allocating the printer to P2, another process will come that requirement is less than to the P2. So in this way, we found that from long time, the P2 is waiting because as per the condition, P2 is not able to print out. So what happened, my dear? That situation is called the starvation. It is a one type of the deadlock. Then what happened? We again set the priority, higher priority for the P2 so that P2 can print the printout and complete the task. This situation is called the starvation. Okay, it is the one type of the deadlock. Whatever Shuman you are giving the example, that was the matching with the starvation. Okay. In the deadlock system, in a process holding some resources, set of process holding some resources and waiting for the some extra resources, but that is not available right time. That resource is held by the another process. And that's why every process is the waiting condition. If waiting condition go for the long time, then it is called deadlock. Hello. Any query, my dear?
Sir.
Shuman, Devaprita, my dear, if you are not able to understand, tell me, my dear. I will be give you the another example and try to make the simple. But you should create the concept in your mind, my dear.
Understood, sir.
Hello.
Sir, understood.
Any query, anyone? You can share with us, me, my dear. Shuman,
No, sir, no doubt.
any other? Don't worry, you ask many question. I am ready to reply you, my dear. Because if you are not understand, I move for the next topic. Means it is the not good for me. That's why I am asking for the me also. If my student if satisfied, then I will be also satisfied. Okay. So where you face the problem, you can discuss with me. The simple funda, one process, hold some resources, require some extra resources, but that resources is not available because that particular resources hold by the another process. Due to that reason, our system go for the waiting state. If the waiting condition go for the long time, then it is called deadlock. Okay. There are so many students. You can ask, my dear. If you ask, I will be happy. Megha, Megha, are you able to hear me, Megha?
হ্যাঁ স্যার পাচ্ছি শুনতে।
Any query, my dear?
না স্যার।
Adif? Adif? Adif Akhtar,
Yes,
are you
sir.
able to hear me? Any query, my
Yes,
dear?
sir. Sir, actually, I
Please
wanted to
ask.
ask why SJF and FCFS algorithms are not applicable here.
What?
Sir,
Hello?
SJF, shortage of first or first come first service algorithm,
Yeah.
why they are not applicable here, sir? If there are two process and they
Yeah.
both require the same resource, then why these algorithms are not applicable, sir?
Listen to me, my dear. Suppose you are two brothers. Okay. You have some set of the game. Suppose you have the bat and ball. Okay. This is the your priority. This is the your things. Your brothers have the gloves and helmet. Okay. This is the his properties. Okay. Now, if you want to play the cricket, so everyone should share. Now you are asking the okay, I am ready to share, but you should give me the your helmet and gloves, and I will be do the first batting, and you will do the bowling. But your brother say that no, I have the helmet, I have the gloves. Means you give me the bat and ball so that I can start. This is the property of the on. That is the not common resource. Okay. It may be common for your home, but hold by the you. So some resources before starting the work, they did not know the how much resources required. So they start with some resources that is allocated to the process, but in the middle it may be happen is some extra resources required suddenly, but that is not available because that particular resource is held by the another process. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Understood.
so you are asking for the shortage of first means the resources are the available, my dear. All resources. So according to the work. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
there are set of suppose in the printer and five process, I tell that the P1 will be allowed first, then second, fifth, third, fifth, fourth. Then according to the they work and complete the task. But deadlock is the difference. Okay. Thank you. Asking for the question, my dear. When you are asking this type of the question, we also get the interest. The students are trying to understand. That's why they are asking the question. Okay. Any more, my dear? Any more? No. Now, what are the conditions on which the dialogue is happening? Before that, we should know there are four conditions. Due to this, the dialogue happens. One is the mutual exclusion. Second is the hold and wait. Third is the no preemption. And fourth is the circular wait. Again, first is the mutual exclusion. Second is hold and wait. Third is no preemption. Fourth is circular wait. Okay. So now we should understand what is the meaning of the mutual exclusion. Exclusion. What do you mean by why? Tell me, my dear. What do you mean by the mutual exclusion? General meaning. I am not asking the definition in respect of the deadlock. I am asking, tell me the general meaning, my dear. Mutual exclusion. What is the general meaning? Tell me the general meaning, my dear.
Sir, shifting with everyone with both agreement.
No, my dear. There is a condition. Mutual exclusion means I will be not allow to anyone to use my resource when I am using the resources. Means when I you doing the some work, that in that work we cannot share to anyone. That is the mutual exclusion. Means at a time only one process will be allowed to use a resources. Then what happened that I will be discussed later. Okay. In respect of the deadlock, the mutual exclusion means only one process at a time allowed to use the resources. Hold and wait, general meaning. Hold means process hold some resources and requested for the another resources that is not available, means waiting for the some another resources. So that is a hold and wait. No preemption means before the starting I occupy the some resources. Okay. But I will not release the resources until I finish the all the tasks. It may be happen we need the keyboard printer not a right time because I am typing the letter. Okay. But printer require when I complete the letter. That time that printer may be used by the another process, but the P1 as hold the printer, he will not allow, means he not release the printer. So no preemption means a resource will be not released by the process before completing the task. Despite of that resources is not used by that process currently. If they want, they can allow to use the resource when the resources is not used by the process. But in condition of the no preemption means the resource will be not released either it require currently or not required. They will release the resource when the process will complete the task. And circular wait, as the name of the circular means there are the process P1, P0, P2. Suppose P0, P1. P0 hold some resources and request some extra resources, that is the hold by P1. Again, P1 hold that particular resources and require some extra resource. That resource is hold by the P0. Now P0 tell that P1 give me the resource, I will complete, then I will be allowed to use my resource. But P1 told that no, you first allow me to use your resources and I will be complete and then I will allow to use my resources. And this will be go for continuous in a queue, circular hold and circular queue. That's why it is called the circular waiting, because holding one, requesting another, that request hold by the another process and that requests some resources that is held by the another. And this is the circular means that's why it is called the circular way. Any question, my dear? There are four conditions: mutual exclusion, hold and wait, no preemption, and circular way. If you have any query, any doubt, my dear, you can ask right now. I am ready to reply you, my dear. My dear, you can ask. Suman,
Sir,
hello.
sir,
Sir,
please
Yeah, tell me,
explain.
man.
Sir, please explain the circular weight once again.
Okay, I am trying to draw the diagram, then you will be understanding in better way. Wait, my dear. Yes, wait. I want to open the paint, then you will be able to understand. Just I'm trying to open the paint, then you will be able to understand, my dear, in a better way. Taking the too much time. One minute, my dear, I am trying to share the screen. Why no tools are coming? Yeah. Suppose by the square I can draw the resource, okay? These are the resource. By the circle, we try to represent the process. That is the you are here. R1, no, sir, R2, E2, R3. Are you able to watch my screen, my dear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Good. arrow coming from the resource to the process P1. That means P1 hold the resources R1. Okay, my dear? No. P1 again requires some extra resource, that is the R2. Okay, but R2 is held by P2. P2 some require extra resources R3, request for the R3, but R3 is held by the P3. Now P3 requires some resource. So as per the picture, I found that the R1 held by the P1. P1 requires some resources R2 to complete the task, but R2 hold by the P2 and P2 required by the R3, but R3 hold by the P3 and P3 required by R1, that is a hold by P1. So are you showing there is a circle? Are they are forming the circle?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the circular weight. So P1 hold R1 require R2, but R2 hold by the P2 require R3, but R3 hold by the P3 require R1. So no one will able to complete the task and it makes the circle and loop. That's why it is called circular weight. Okay, my dear? Devaprita? Let's ask
Yes,
my dear. Any
yes,
query?
sir. No, sir.
Shuman?
No, sir.
Okay. So next is the graph allocation. Okay. Graph allocation. So what do you mean by the graph allocation? How can I understand if there is a deadlock happen or not happen? Hmm. So my dear, as the draw the diagram, R represent the resources and P represent the process. Okay. When arrow comes from the resource to the process means that resource allocated to the that particular process, or you can say the that resource is held by the that process. When the arrow goes from the process to resource means process request to the resource to allocate him to complete a task. But if we form a loop, if we form the loop or circle, then we can say there is a deadlock. But how can we understand? Because a same type of the resource may be so many. So for that we should go for the diagram. Yeah. Suppose this is the process, this is the resource. Already I discussed you know. When process request to resource, then arrow should go from the process to resource. And when the process holds some resources, then arrow goes from to the resource to the process. Now, look here. Can you tell me there is chance of the deadlock? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
There is a chance of deadlock?
Yes, sir.
How many agree with the Suman? And how many disagree with Suman? Devaprita, tell me, Suman is right or wrong?
Sir, here P3 is not connected to, means it is not a circle. It is not circular. So I don't think there will be deadlock.
Okay, suppose you don't care about the P3, then deadlock happen.
Yes, sir, then deadlock happens.
My dear, nowhere deadlock is happening. Why? देखो, R1 is available one resource, but R2 have the two resources. R2 type, there are two resources. Okay. P1 hold the one R type. Actually, you are finding that they are forming the circle. But my dear, in the box for the R2, there are two circle. Means there are two number of R2 type resources. One allocate to the P1 and another allocate to the P2. Now P1 requesting to the R1. Okay. And that R1 also hold by the P2. Okay. So P2 hold the two resources, one R1 and one R2. Now P2 requesting the R3, but R3 hold by the P3. Okay. And P3 do not demand any resources. So P3 easily can complete the task using the R3. When P3 will complete the task, then P3 will release the R3. So now for the process P2, the R1 resource, R2 resource and R3 resource are available. Then easily P2 will be complete the task. When P2 will be complete the task, then P2 will be release the R1 and that may be allocated to the P1. And right now P1 also have both resources. R1 already allocated to the P1 and as P1 requested to the R1, right now R1 is also available for the P1. Then P1 will be also complete the task. So there is a no chance of that deadlock. Okay. So you can ask, sir, then how can I understand the deadlock happen? We should go another example. Yeah. Now we are finding the R1 type of resources are two numbers. One allocated to the P2 and another allocated to the P3. Okay. Again, P1 also request to provide the R1, but R1 is not available right now. Now P3 request to R2, that is the hold by the P1 and P4. So tell me, there is a happen deadlock? Yes or no? Are
Yes.
there chance of the deadlock?
Yes, sir.
Why, my dear? P4 only holding the R1, so I not require extra resources. So P4 will be complete the task and release the R1, R2, and
No,
that
sir. No, sir.
R2
No, sir, it will not
already
take
give.
deadlock because there are also two resources are available. Na?
Yeah.
So have
Okay.
to R2 also.
Yes, my dear. Okay. Up to that part, any question, my dear?
No, sir.
So they are forming the circle, but no deadlock because resources are the available. So Next class, I will be discuss how can detect the deadlock and how can prevent the deadlock. I will be discuss the banker's algorithm. By using the banker algorithm and calculation, we can know there is a chance of the deadlock or not. Okay, my dear. If you have any query, you can ask or you can ask in the next class also. So please go through the slides and one time just when you go the time, please revise so that you can note down the query and ask to me. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.